Without further ado, I'm going to hand the microphone over to Mr. Thomas Bloch, who's going to tell us more about the glass harmonica. Mr. Thomas Bloch, please. Welcome.
This instrument looks like a kebab. You know what's a kebab? No? Okay, Turkish meat somewhere. But here the meat is replaced by glasses, so that's better to make music much easier. And this instrument was invented in 1761. Welcome again. So the idea is to have fingers wet, and then you put the finger on the glass. And as we have 10 fingers normally, so we can play music with all of them.
We will see.
He's also giving demonstrations at the museum in Paris. He's performed a wide range of music in many different situations. For example, he's played with Radiohead, Gorillaz, pop bands like that. He's even performed on a beach in front of 50,000 people.
If you chuck water on the glass and just use your dry fingers on it, will it still work?
You put water on it?
Yeah. And then you don't wet your hands. Does it work?
Can work, but it takes time because you can have some grease if you have been to McDonald's before, for example. If you have eaten a pizza with your fingers, it can take time, and also that's why I prefer not to leave everybody playing and touching the instrument, because if you leave grease on it, then I have to put all the glasses away and clean them separately. So that's also a problem with the instrument. That's why I wash my hands very carefully. Yesterday we had a pizza before the concert. That was a big problem for me. I asked for knives and towels and equipped like that. It was a very nice pizza, but all my colleagues, the violin players, impossible for me.
Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome.